Peak Hour Transit Strategy at the Glenmarie Interchange Hub, Part 3. Collision Risk at Glenmarie. Collision risk at Glenmarie. Could the shuttle and Putra Heights trains collide? Under normal operating conditions, the system is designed to make a collision mathematically and physically impossible. The LRT Kelana Jaya Line runs on a fully automated, driverless system, grade of automation level 4, governed by a highly advanced digital signaling technology called Thales SelTrac, Communication-Based Train Control, CBTC. Here is exactly how the system safely injects the empty train from the depot or pocket track without any risk of a crash. 1. The moving block safety bubble. Traditional railways use fixed blocks, dividing tracks into rigid sections where only one train can enter. The Kelana Jaya Line uses a moving block system. Every single train constantly calculates its exact position, speed, and braking distance, transmitting this data via radio to a central computer system. The system wraps an invisible, dynamic safety bubble, protection envelope, around each train. The computer will never allow one safety bubble to overlap with another. If a train ahead stops or slows down, the train behind it is automatically forced to slow down or brake, keeping a strict safety margin. 2. Precise slotting, interlocking. The train from Putra Heights has no idea the empty shuttle is coming, but the central system tracks both perfectly. A. As the train from Putra Heights approaches Subang Jaya and Glenmarie, the computer looks for a safe gap in traffic. B. The physical track switches, turnouts, connecting the depot or the Era Damansara pocket track to the main line are completely locked by the system. C. The empty train is only allowed to physically merge onto track 1 when the computer confirms that the Putra Heights train is a guaranteed safe distance away. Track 1. The main line used by passenger trains, heading north eastbound towards Gombak. 3. Fail-safe automation. Because there are no human drivers making judgment errors during this intense rush hour maneuver, the system acts as a strict supervisor. Automatic braking. If the empty train attempts to merge too early, or if the Putra Heights train travels faster than scheduled, the Wayside Control Center instantly cuts power to the tracks or triggers the emergency brakes on both trains. Speed regulation. The system continuously adjusts the speed of the Putra Heights train, slowing it down slightly if necessary, to create the perfect 2 to 4 minute window for the empty train to slip onto the track ahead of it. Essentially, the empty train is slotted into the traffic flow like a perfectly timed zipper, with the automated system ensuring that the train from Putra Heights stays safely behind it the entire time.